Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the two-step dance. We will begin by understanding the core rhythm, which is quick, quick, slow, slow. This pattern is crucial for timing your steps with the music. Listen for the strong downbeat in country songs to help you find your pace. Establish a comfortable, relaxed dance frame with your partner, holding hands and maintaining a slight distance. Before moving, practice stepping in place to internalize this fundamental rhythm. Now, let's master the basic forward and backward movement. The leader initiates by stepping forward with their left foot on the first quick beat. Simultaneously, the follower steps backward with their right foot. On the second quick, the leader brings their right foot to meet their left, while the follower brings their left to meet their right. The slow, then involves the leader stepping back with their right, followed by their left, as the follower mirrors this movement. Once comfortable with forward and backward steps, we can add side steps and turns. To change direction, introduce a side step on the quick beats. The leader gently guides the turn using subtle pressure and body rotation. A full turn is typically executed over 2 complete quick, slow cycles, meaning 8 beats of music. Remember to maintain a strong connection with your partner and keep eye contact throughout the rotation for smooth execution. Consistent practice is key to mastering the two-step. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to build muscle memory and confidence in your movements. Try dancing to songs with varying tempos to adapt your rhythm and timing. Focus on achieving smooth, seamless transitions between your basic steps and turns. Remember, the two-step is a social dance, so relax, enjoy the music, and have fun connecting with your partner on the dance floor.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.